Welcome to my channel Sankhya Tattva. I'm Momita Banerjee, your numerologist and life coach. Today's topic is on a much requested topic from all of you. Thank you so much for your continued support and engagement. This will truly help me to shape this channel. And today we are going to talk about that requested topic and explore that in detail. So a lot of people ask me, what is karmic number? What do they do? What are the function? How do they perform? There's a lot of confusion around it. So I'm going to clear all the confusions on this topic. There are 4 karmic numbers. Let's say if you're born on those particular dates, that means it's said that you're born with a karmic number. The numbers are 13, 14, 16 and 19. That means if you're born on these dates of any month, you're carrying a karmic debt from your past life. Let us understand that in detail. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe that and hit on the bell icon for future notifications. And please share this video with your friends and families so that everybody can be benefited out of it. Everybody is born with a karmic debt from a past life. Everybody has it. But certain numbers denotes specific details about you if you're born on those particular dates. Like 13, 14, 16 and 19, if you're born on these dates, that means you must have done some irregular activities. Let's put it simply, you must have done some misuse of power, maybe through corruption, violence, some sins you have committed through your activities in your past life, and you couldn't clear those debts in your past life, and that's why you were born with that particular numbers in this life, and basically your sins are being carried forward in this life. So let us understand that in detail, and one by one, let's explore all the numbers. Let's start with number 13. If you're born on 13th of any month, that means you're carrying a karmic debt from your past life. It means that you have misused your power in your past life through hooliganism, vandalism, through corruption, a lot of other sins you must have performed. That's why you're carrying those karmic debts in this life. Remember one thing very carefully. Whosoever is born on these karmic debts, 13, 14, 16 and 19, if you are doing the same thing in this birth also, like you can put it this way, like God will give you the same position, same power, same situation to correct yourself in this life, to clear your karmic debts in this life. And if you perform the same thing in this life also, that means your coming birth in your next life, again you will be born with the karmic number. So this will be a continuous loop. So there's no way out. You cannot get rid of from this karmic number. You have to clear the karmic debts in this life. So let's talk about 13. So 13 is basically, again, God will give you the same power, same authority. Let's say in this birth, if you're born on 13, God will be giving you the authority, power, and again if you misutilize your power, again if you start harassing people in some way or the other, then definitely your karmic debts are not going to clear, and again in your next birth you're going to born with the karmic number. So what is the solution? I'll talk about the solution at the end of the video. Now the next number is number 14. Again, if you're born on 14th of any month, that means you're carrying the debts from the past life in this life also. It means that it means that you have misused the power of freedom. I'll talk about it. I'll explain that. What does that mean? That means you must be a minister or a king's minister or a person or a treasurer and have encroached money from the people in an illegal way. It might so happen that you might have been a bank employee and you have through your power you have misutilized that, through your freedom you have misutilized and transacted some illegal money. So, and your sins were so high that you couldn't clear that in your past life, and you're carrying that in this life also. Now the next number is number 16. That means the people who are born on 16th of any month, they are carrying the karmic debts from the previous life. It means they must have abused love in their previous life. What does it mean? That means they must have betrayed their partner, cheated them, got into some extramarital affair, promised, not fulfilled, left their partner in distress, and so many things, entangled in illegal relationships. So they are carrying that sins in this life also. Look around, you will see around you, you will see that people who are born on 16th of the month, their married life is little disturbed. And by the way, it's applicable for male, female both. So in this life, if they do the same thing, like cheating their partners, exploiting, not keeping the promises, getting into extramarital affair, getting into illegal relationships, again they will get into a loop. They won't be able to clear the karmic debts in this life also, and again they will born with a karmic number in next birth. Now the next number is number 19. That means the people who are born on 19th on any month, they are also carrying the karmic debts from their previous lives. They must have misused the power in their past life. It's called abuse of power. They might be king or a minister or a very authoritative person, a person with very, very powerful position. They have misused their power by exploiting people, by harassing people, by extracting money in illegal ways, and so many things. And that's why they're carrying the sins from their previous life in this birth also. Look around, if you see, the people who are born on 19th are very powerful person. They are already in authority. So what does that mean? That means if they do the same thing in this birth also by exploiting people, rather if they treatment they give to the people the same way they had given in their last birth, in their previous birth, they are not going to clear the karmic debts in this birth also. They are going to be in loop, and they are going to born in their next life with any of the karmic numbers. So what is the solution? My dear friends, there is no solution to get rid of from your karmic numbers. To clear the karmic debts from your life by doing only right karma in this birth. There is no other way. You cannot rid of from karmic numbers in this birth. There's no gemstone, there's no tantra, mantra, yantra can clear the karmic debts of previous life. So please do the right karma to clear your karmic debts. I hope you have enjoyed the video so far, and please comment me if you're born with a karmic debt from your previous life, and if you can relate the topic which I have explained. I'm sure I'm going to bring some more interesting topic next week. And till then, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.